Okay guys, so we are about to do a quick video on some homemade macaroni and cheese. So I want to show you guys the ingredients that I have. So the first thing, we're gonna cook the noodles until they're tender. I had already started boiling my water, so this has been on for about 15-20 minutes, and I have it with a teaspoon of oil and also some salt. Okay, so the noodles are done and tender. Before I added them in this bowl with the cheese, I rinsed them off to get like the extra starch and everything off of them. So then I placed them in this the pan that I'll actually be baking it in, and I added cheddar cheese. I added the Velveeta block cheese that I had chopped up. I also added some butter, a little sugar, and mixed everything up with some salt and pepper. Okay guys, so now we are about to start on our cheese sauce. Okay guys, so I pretty much been just mixing the half and half, the milk and the flour and butter together, just until it got this thick consistency that it has right now. So now I'm gonna add let me see the spoon. Okay, and we're just gonna mix this around. As you can see, it's thick, and if you feel like it's too thick or you don't want your cheese sauce to be that thick, you can always add more half and half and milk, which is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna add a little more half and half to it. And then I'm gonna add some salt, pepper, and some sugar. Okay, so I finally have it at the thickness that I want. As you can see, like, it's not too thick, but it's not too runny either. Okay, now I'm about to pour the cheese sauce over the already cooked noodles. Okay, I'm going to mix this around. Just want to make sure that the sauce is covering all of the noodles. So just making sure that I'm mixing it well. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys before I put it in the oven how I layered it up. So I left half of it unlayered just so you can see like how I put the sliced cheese on, and then I put the shredded cheese on top of that, which is the shredded cheddar cheese and Monterey Jack cheese together. So now I'm going to cover the other side and place it in the oven. I'm going to cook it on 350 for probably about 15-20 minutes, just until the cheese is melted. So I will let you guys see the outcome once it is complete. Okay, everyone, here goes the mac and cheese. Thank you so much for watching.